From the company WindGallop store is a paddleboard inflator, a tire inflator, an air inflator for bicycles, e-scooters, cars, and more. You can inflate a paddleboard in a number of minutes. 2 times 12 to 15 minutes. Kayaks in a matter of a minute. Basketballs, inflatable rafts and sofas, and more. Do check online for further details about the products you are inflating. And what we're going to show you is what you get inside the box. The WindGallop parts list is located in the manual. You get a swimming plug nozzle, a bike coupling for Italian and regular bikes, a tent nozzle, a fixed nozzle, an inflatable bed nozzle, a yoga ball nozzle, a sup nozzle, an inflatable sofa nozzle, a tire speed nozzle, and a ball nozzle, a USB-C charging cable, a 12-volt plug adapter for a cigarette lighter of a car, and a tire nozzle, along with the inflation tube, and the controller of the inflator WindGallop. Please remember to peel off the protective film. A 5D button control, the display, and a vent area, the nozzle hookup, a LED indicator, and a deflator, and vent areas. We have a silicone door that opens up to charge the unit. It also has a USB-C port and a special DIN plug. Correctly go over the parts list and choose the item you are inflating. The instructions are very simple to operate the unit. It is located in the manual. For the first use, please charge a unit for the first time, showing a charging indicator of a green battery. 7800 milliamp battery. Give you an idea of the front screen in a low level light, you get to see that we're on the SUV board. We have the battery indicator and PSI that we come over here to the mouse as we adjust high or low, and it blinks to telling you what you're on. You hit the on button and the off button to start and stop. To change the PSI to different levels, you simply hold the button down. As you can see, it's changing, and back to the PSI. To change to the different mode or turn lights on, just simply long press the button. We have a light on the side over here. Press it again, it goes off. Short pressing changes to the different types of items. You want to blow up a tent, a paddle board, and so forth. All this could be found in the instruction manual. When all done, just simply long press the on and off button, the lights go off. And the next time you're ready to use, recharge your unit to have it in full. The WindGallop has a plastic hose. It's got spring loaded. It's got one end that screws on and the other end that you attach different attachments to blow up different parts of the raft. This is an adapter for your paddleboard. Pumping up. Put the adapter for paddleboard. On the side of the unit, screw on the hose with the soft color set up to SUP. Press in the desired level of PSI. Place on to the paddleboard, tighten down, and turn the unit on. Allow to pump. As the unit inflates the raft, in 10 minutes time, you're ready to be out there on the water. The SUP is blown up. Simply remove, and when deflating, simply unscrew and place on the bottom deflator hose, screwing on and plugging in. As we deflate, simply hit the on button and air flows out. shut off and remove. There are different adapters for different things to inflate and deflate. We have here is a clothing bag that we're going to suck the air out. Turn the unit on, choose the settings, on manual, take the hose, place over, and press start. When done, shut off and remove. And now you have your bag with all your clothing closed up. The WindGallop inflates and deflates stand-up paddle boards, clothing bags, bicycle tires, rafts, and more. If you're looking to pump up a car tire and set the PSI pressure to automatically shut off, this product may be something that you are after. Comes in a nice carrying bag with all the accessories that you need. On the go, camping, hiking, biking, at the beach, on the boat, and more. Enjoy your WindGallop Inflator Deflator from WindGallop.